Great news! Not even the Fed can deny that inflation is fading fast, with CPI dropping to 3% year over year and PPI dropping to 0.1% year over year in June. Mortgage rates responded, moving back into the 6% range. If you're thinking about buying, don't forget that homeownership is more than just a great investment. I am happy to help you determine your mortgage options. My contact information can be found in the link in my bio or the comments. The Consumer Price Index, which measures inflation for consumers, dropped more than expected from an annualized 4% year over year in May to 3% year over year in June. And the Producer Price Index, which measures inflation for businesses, fell from 0.9% year over year in May to 0.1% year over year in June, basically flat. Both the CPI and PPI are down massively from their peaks, but the Fed is still expected to raise rates by another 25 basis points on July 26. Not surprisingly, the bond market reacted positively to the low inflation data. Average 30-year mortgage rates moved below 7% for the first time since mid-June. MBS Highway's July housing survey saw a pullback in buyer activity again. This wasn't a surprise, with mortgage rates above 7% during the survey period and inventory levels failing to grow during the spring selling season. That said, demand isn't the problem. Availability and affordability are the real issues. The Northeast region continues to be the winner, with high buyer activity, upwards pricing pressure, and rapid pace of sales. However, the Midwest and Mid-Atlantic regions aren't far behind. And it's worth highlighting that the hard-hit West region has dramatically recovered. Everyone agrees that home prices are rising. According to Black Knight, there's no doubt that the housing market has reignited from a home price perspective. The pullback tracked through the last half of 2022 is now fully erased. More than half of the 50 largest markets are seeing prices at or above their 2022 peaks. A home is more than just a great investment. Homeownership also gives you stability. You don't have to move if your landlord decides to sell the house. Predictability. Your mortgage payment won't change, but your rent sure will. Flexibility. It's your home, so you don't have to ask for permission to paint the walls or add a pool. If you're ready to learn more about the mortgage options best fit for you, I'm happy to help. My contact information can be found in the link in my bio or in the comments. I encourage you to get pre-approved.